4mm pearl, 8mm diamond stone, 2mm beads, magnetic buckle and needle, fishing line of 40 centimeters length.
Hand, stories told of
Add 8
threads
beads.
and beads, young and old.
Tie 2 or 3 knots to
A
secure.
craftswoman's heart beats strong, creating beauty all day long. Oh, the beauty she creates with every stitch, every thread that waits. In her workshop, love resides, where art and craft abide. From hair clips to jewelry fine, her hands weave magic, one thread at a time. A symphony of color and light, a dance of beads on this crafting night. Oh, the beauty she creates with every stitch, every thread that waits. In her workshop, love resides, where art and craft abide. From the quiet she finds her voice, a language spoken without a choice. The craft itself, a work of art, a reflection of her loving heart.
With this method I have made 6 bunches.
She creates
Time to make a bracelet.
with every stitch, every thread that waits. In her workshop, love resides, where art and craft abide.
I am attaching all bunches with pearls.
In her hand, stories told of threads and beads, young and old. A craftswoman's heart beats strong, creating beauty all day long. Oh, the beauty she creates with every stitch, every thread that waits. In her workshop, love resides,
And it's done. Thanks for watching.
where art and craft abide.